Yes. You gotta do this early, bud.
I just hurt my back. I need to smell all the newness. I am so excited because all my brand newsy products are here. Can you smell it? It smells new!
As you may or may not know, we have a pond supply store here in Morris Plains, New Jersey. And today, being freezing cold and kind of raining, is actually one of the busiest days of our season.
It's early buy. We have so much stuff. This place is packed to the gills, as you can see. Come on, let's take a look at the chaos we have. A little bit of everything over here. We just needed to find a spot. It'll be fine. Come on. Mostly some fish food and a few miscellaneous pumps in this room. We left this one a little bit bare. We have a lot of work to do in here. Move some stuff around. We have lots of stuff in here to put away. Come on, let's go look upstairs in storage. This is our upstairs storage. It is full. We have an attic. Our attic is full. We have 2 other storage spots that are full, and my car's full. I love this stuff. Spring is just around the corner, and in about a week, everything will be put away and this place will be looking awesome. Thanks for sticking around today. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think about our store, and we'll see ya on the next one. Thanks for sticking with us today. Thanks for sticking with us today. I don't know, Jack. Colby, cue cards. Wait, stop. Where are we going back from? Thanks for sticking around. Okay. I'm so tired.